What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you how to actually remove or to replace the shift knob. This one is broken. The area that's under it's kind of got broken out, so I pulled one from the junkyard and I'm just gonna replace it. Saw some videos where they actually pry over here to remove it, but I found a different method which I think is way simple. I'm just gonna rip it out and you're gonna see how easy it is. I don't think you need to remove this, but I'm going to replace all of this, so I might just remove it. And the reason I remove it because this is broken. It's supposed to be like this, but it comes out. So show you how to replace the shift knob on a Volkswagen Jetta 2.5. This is a 09, I believe. So yeah, so first thing first, said people be prying out here and then they insert it here, but I found the easier way. You can actually do this. Just pull this out. What it does, it actually releases this from the shift knob. It actually removes this from the shift knob, so then allows you to raise it up. Then what you want to do is lift this up as well, and then this should just, and I said this should just come up. So that's by the way, and this should just yank out just like this. Okay, so that's how you actually remove it without actually having to get the shift knob out. We're pushing this out because I'm like, this is way easier than what you actually have to do. So I'm gonna show you the one I got from the junkyard. It actually comes all like this. I believe I got it for like $15. It actually comes with the sensor as well. So I'm just gonna replace both of it. This is the one I got from the junkyard. The boots all good. Also come with the sensor, which I'm replacing here. I can actually just replace this if I want it, but let's clean this up, and this should be in good shape. So here we go. What you want to do is actually to remove this area, just get this tab and pull it out. Okay, so got this out, so this clips right in here. I got the new one, or the used one. The boot's actually intact, and now what I want to do is, it should just click in right now. I should clean this up, but since I already have it, this should just click right in and it should be okay. She got it back in place. Now I'm just gonna slide it back. You actually remove this and then slide it out. This releases the tab, but this is way easier, and we got the job done. So yep. Make sure everything works.